Feel the ground shake, hear the roar. Right to the breaking point. All right, so I'm glad nobody else is sure either. Let's go then. REO. The REO Brothers is what we're going to do. Philippine band from the Philippines. And they're doing a cover of the Bee Gees. You Should Be Dancing. This ought to be interesting. This ought to be interesting. Let's get into it.
You should be dancing music.
I am so sorry. I am so sorry for stopping this song because this one probably wouldn't get copyright claimed or anything like that. But that's not the point. Holy shiitake mushrooms. I'll try to keep it clean. I was not expecting that sound to come out of them. Oh my God. I mean, my eyes water. What are we doing? What are we freaking doing?
Yeah.
My God, that was so effing good. It was so effing good. Yeah. Yeah. Holy crap, that was fun. That was fun. I'm impressed. I am so impressed. I have subscribed, I have liked, and you need to do the same. You just need to do the same, and then you need to go down this REO Brothers rabbit hole because I'm about to. You're about to see a lot of reactions to REO Brothers. I'm just telling you. Because that is freaking talent right there, buddy. That is freaking talent. Ron, thank you for the request. That's talent. That's a good time. I'll pays the money to go see him play. And I know I'm going to enjoy myself. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can you imagine that big 6'4", 300-pound wrestler just walking into one of these Filipino bars, listening to these brothers go out here and play happily, cheering them on. Let's go. Because that's what great music can do. Bring all them cultures together. I loved it. Just got some of the warm peach cobbler. Oh, come on, man. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me, Andy. Oh, my God. Sounds so good. I'm going to have to make one tonight. I have to make one. I'm going to make one right after I get out of here. I sure am, just because you said it. Just because you said it. Just because you said it. Oh, I am so stoked about REO. I am so stoked. Great. That's awesome. That was awesome. But what the rest of you guys think about it, leave your comments down below. Like, subscribe, hit those notification bells, please.